Hey, today I'll be showing you how I make vegan chili. Let's get started. The first step is to get everything out so that you know that you have everything. When I did this step for the video, I actually realized that I forgot a few things at the store, so this really works to prevent you from forgetting anything mid-recipe. The next step is to prepare the vegetables. Finely dice 2 yellow onions, roughly chop 2 bell peppers, I usually go for green, dice 2 jalapenos. Now, depending on your preference for spice, you may want to remove the seeds or only use one. Personally, I like to leave the seeds in because it makes me feel something, but do what works for you. And finally, dice or mince 4 cloves of garlic. Next, we're gonna start softening our onions. Add about 3 tablespoons of a neutral oil to a large stock pot and turn the heat up to medium. I like to allow them to soften for about 7 minutes. Next, I add in some brown sugar. This will help to caramelize our onions. At this time, you'll also want to add in the garlic. Allow this to cook for another 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in the bell pepper and the jalapenos. Let them cook with the garlic and onions for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our alternative meat. I like these Boca meatless crumbles because they resemble ground beef. But don't worry if you can't find this exact product, just use anything that's available to you. You could also use different meats like chicken or sausage to change it up. Alternatively, you could skip this step if you don't like faux meat. I allow the meat to cook down for a minute or 2 with a splash of water. Next, we add in our spices and tomato paste. Make sure to incorporate everything really well by stirring and let it cook for another minute. At this time, I like to add in our canned tomatoes and an equal amount of water. Now you can bring the heat to high and allow it to come to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, you can allow it to cook on low for about 15 minutes. Once it's done cooking, I like to taste and adjust the spices if needed. I did include the adjusted spice level in the description, but don't be afraid to add things that you like. And when I was finished cooking, I realized I forgot to add the kidney beans. Usually I would add these in at the same time as the tomatoes in the water, but it didn't really make a difference to the taste or texture of the chili. To serve, I like to add fresh avocado and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This recipe is really versatile, and sometimes my roommates and I will add pasta so it's really filling and lasts the whole week. Let me know if you added anything I didn't and how it turned out. What do you want to see next? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.